Good morning, traders. Welcome back. It's Pete here, and this is another trading kitchen video. We are always inside the futures playlist. And today's video, I want to talk about cumulative delta volume. It is certainly one of the indicator that I use most frequently, but is certainly not my trigger. It's just part of series of confluences that help me to identify the best trade. I make this video because I see a lot of confusion on YouTube from the way I see it being used. I think it is definitely overrated by most part of the traders. And this video aims to show you the correct use of the cumulative delta volume, or yeah, at least the correct use for me. Okay, the cumulative delta volume displays the cumulative volume changes based on the volume traded by self-aggressors versus buy aggressors. This is the bookmap definition, which is correct basically. But I want to explain my vision of cumulative delta volume. The first thing I want to bring out is the relationship between effort and result, where the CDV represent the effort and the price represent the result. This indicator becomes useful only when related to the price. The thing you need to ask yourself is price doing what the CDV is telling me? Many traders use the CDV as an indication of a trend, okay, which in my opinion is completely wrong. The CDV does not tell you the trend. The CDV is telling us basically who is dominating between aggressive sellers and aggressive buyers, but there is no contextualization with the price. Okay, if we see strong buyer pressure in the CDV, it does not mean that the price is going up. Okay, we must always looking for a context. Okay, the best way to identify the trend is always by the price action. Okay, only when you see a broker structure. Okay, so basically only after the price is doing something, okay, not before. Most traders tend to use the cumulative delta volume to anticipate the market, which is, is a very high risk trading style. The second thing I want to underline is the price action, the structure. Price and CDV say the same thing even when they structure say the same thing. So for example here, okay, we see this structure have been broken here, and we see the same thing here, here. Okay, so this is only an example, but when CDV and price telling the same thing, we are in front a strong trend. Okay, if there is a clear break of the structure in the price structure, not also followed by the CDV, it means there is basically no agreement between the CDV and the price. Like here, here we have structure that have been broken, okay, one after another, but this is not the same thing on CDV, okay, which is going down. Okay, so we have no agreement between cumulative delta volume and the price. What does it mean? It means that you need to know how to read. If that is a really, if there is a really break of structure, okay, or for example is a liquidity grab, a stop run, or an absorption, okay. The third and last thing is divergence and convergence. There are many strategies that use divergence. By the way, my intraday strategy used the CDV divergence, and you can watch my previous video about my ultimate strategy. So divergence is when, for example, CDV has lower highs, like let me find out, like here, okay. So we have lower highs, okay, and the price shows a higher highs, okay. This basically anticipate a trend reversal, but we cannot say that every time CDV shows us a divergence we have a trend reversal, okay. This is completely wrong, okay. Also my strategy, I repeat, the signal is a part of a checklist, but using it alone without context means burning the account, okay. There are such a big difference everywhere, I mean, for every divergence, okay. If you do not have a context, if you don't contextualize by identify a specific reaction zone, by the way, in my last video you can see how to really identify the potential reaction zone, okay. So if you can't identify the reaction zone, you will definitely face loss, okay. Divergence is fine, it is an effective only if contextualized, okay. Trading a trend reversal with diverging is very difficult because, I mean, it's very difficult to basically to anticipate the movement, okay. Understanding that we are facing a trend reversal is really complicated. Now I'll show you an example. We realize this when we have already had an important structure breaks, and when therefore the divergence has already informed, okay. This is London open, okay. So look at here, we have this divergence, then price, then CDV go down and price follow it, okay. This is convergence, okay. This is convergence. And remember that the market spends 80%, now is not the real number, but the most part of the time market spending in trend, okay. So only a very few moments, only in 10%, 50%, 20% of its time, price reverse, okay. So why do you want to take a reversal? Just follow the price and try to catch the trend, because you have much more edge by your side, okay. That's why you should I mean, consider much more convergence, okay. What is convergent? When, like in this case, price and CVD say the same thing, okay. When the result is commensurate with the effort, when price and volumes are in agreement. When it happens, we are faced with a definite, a clear trend. Price and volumes are aligned, and I can take advantage of it. So, for example, here, CDV go down, price go down. Then we have just a sideways market, in which seems, as you can see, CDV is going up, so we have much more buyer pressure. So I'm pretty much sure the price is going up, but this time price is going down. Okay, and if you read it as divergence, yes, it's divergence, but so I can go, this is divergence, so price broke this low, this structure, so I enter here, okay, or I enter here because this is a breakout structure. I enter here, just a few pips of stop, I will get the stop. Okay, no, it's not this one, maybe it's this one. Okay, so we have a divergence from here to here, price broke, I enter here, and we get a stop loss as well. Okay, this happened because you don't have the contest, because probably here there is no reaction zone. Now do remember. Okay, so price is going down, CDV is going up. You have to wonder what is going on. So probably something is going to happen soon, but not now. But just follow the what effort and price are telling us. Okay, so again, we have breakout structure here, but is not followed by the price. Okay, so basically, yeah, we have a strong buyer pressure which is not followed by the price. Okay, then here we have strong structure. Okay, so this is a clear structure that have been broken by the price and by the CDV as well. So if this structure that have been broken here and here, so this is what I mean price and CDV are telling the same thing. Okay, we are going down here, we are going down. So for example, this is part of one of my strategy to keep the trend strategy basically. So I guess, or he's not clear, I get the cluster, the recent cluster here to go short. Okay, look at here, CDV is going down, price is going up. Okay, so we have a clear breakout structure of CDV, and we have clear breakout structure also here on the price. So CDV and price are telling the same thing. So what does it mean? That this could be a strong volume zone. Okay, here the same thing. Okay, we have strong from here, CDV and price, and telling the same thing. So this could be a strong zone as well that we can take here, and so we can trade this one. Okay, we just stop loss below the zone. Okay, now price CDV is going down, but price did not follow it. Okay, we have no breakout structure like here. Here we have breakout structure, here of the CDVD confirmed by the price. So what does it mean? That this, it's all a good zone to trade. Okay, the high volume node here is already been taken, so the next one will be this one. Okay, in fact price react very good here. So I just want to show you one last example. We are in front of a clear bearish structure, okay, bearish trend. But what we can see is price, the CDV is going up. So we have a strong bullish pressure. Okay, look at the price, look at the structure. There is no bullish confirmation until here. Okay, here we have the first breakout structure. Okay, and is confirmed by the CDV as well. Okay, what does it mean? That this is a good trend confirmation trade. Okay, sorry, from on the view up, this. Okay, from here to this swing here. Okay, and as you can see, we have a strong high volume node here that is being almost tested here with this double bottom, which is very good for liquidity that has been taken here. Okay, and this is a very good trade. Okay, just stop loss below the zone, and 1.314 to risk to reward ratio for the TP. So this is a very good, but the CDV and price told me the same thing. Okay, we have breakout structure here and here as well. Okay, so this is good. This is good swing to trade on the retest. Okay, and look how price is going. CDV is going up, is going up, is going up. Okay, now we have here another breakout structure, but as you can see, we don't have any breakout structure here. Okay, so this is not good. In fact, price fall down. Okay, again, I don't know if you can see. So here we have a clear breakout structure, and here as well we have a clear breakout structure. Okay, so this is a good swing. Okay, the last volume node, high volume node, basically below the view up, is this one. So here, okay, that had not been tested, but it is good as well, even after this liquidity grab here. Okay, here as well we have another structure that had been broken here, broken structure here, so this is good as well. Okay, for us to take. This is a very good swing. We have this high volume node here that is not being tested. This is US opening. Okay, another example, we don't have any breakout structure here. Price and CVD are telling two different things, even if we have an agreement here, because we have downtrend, we have downtrend. Okay, we have liquidity here. So if this swing show me a very good high volume node here, this, well, is good to catch. Okay, here as well we have breakout structure here, we have bullish confirmation here, we have a high volume node probably below here with this liquidity. Could be interesting. Take a look if this was a very good high volume node to take. Okay, so guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you like this this video. Let me know what you think about using the comment section below, and join my Discord group, subscribe the channel. In my Discord group you have free trading ideas, you have the daily bias, you have futures course, CFD and smart money concept course. You have all my journal, which is this one. Okay, with all the trade that I made. Today I just made this small trade, but you see you have everything here with all the screenshot of my platform, so you can take a look. You can see the reason by which I enter the trade. Okay, so everything totally free. Hope you like it, hope you appreciate it. So I wait for you in my Discord group. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.